Well, kids, race night here at Skipper Speedway, ToJu Racing. Todd here. We're going to be racing our race trucks with
Hatman Dave.
and Adam. Just Adam.
Starting.
3, 2, 1, go.
One me.
I'll be going there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, I did it again. Yep, I'm behind everybody now. Oop, I'm behind everybody now.
Dave, I'm sorry.
Oh, he pushed me back on.
Hold on. Hold up.
Hold on.
Oh, here I come.
Oh, wow. That's.
Oh, no.
Well, now what?
Yeah.
Then you just stay where the hell you're at,
Yeah,
mister.
yeah.
Stay where the hell you're at.
But I won't now. You gotta stop, Adam.
No,
You gotta
he said
stop.
not the guy in first doesn't.
Yeah, you do. You gotta stop.
Whoa. Hold on. You can't do that, man.
I didn't hit you. I
No,
didn't
not,
touch
that's
you.
not what I mean. Him meant him.
Right.
Never mind.
Him.
Oh,
Oh, my God.
Oh, no.
Oh my God.
You look like
Okay, that rule is an imbecile rule. It's not gonna work.
Yeah, it is.
I think you need to rail.
You're
that
off,
corner.
though. That's a wreck.
Oh, no, I'm in a
that's
good
right.
spot. This is normal.
Yeah, it don't matter if you're in the pits or not.
It don't matter if you're in the pits or not.
You gotta wait for me
No, I'm not. God damn.
Those things seem impossible to drive.
Well, they're on 4. They're not supposed to be.
Oh, no.
We used to run these on 3. They changed them to 4. Which is why we're having trouble.
How did I get ass that as my
You
knee?
need to put those on 1.
Oh, because I thought you were moving back to your other controller.
Oh, I'm on. Yep, I gotta wait for Todd.
No, just stop and then we go. Unless you know they're right next to one another, then you know what I mean.
Why did it take me to the front?
Wow, mine has definitely been doing some.
Now we're getting it. You gotta work these ones.
Nice save there.
I'm not feeling out.
Nope.
Let's see.
It's not working.
Voltron got served.
I guess I don't have a cord. I'm over here. My arm's sticking out like I got a cord.
I should try to stand over here.
Looks like I should stand over here. Adam don't shag for anybody.
Oh, Mike's there.
Yeah.
Somebody's out of breath.
Oh, I know.
Oh, use me as a guardrail.
You're doing pretty good there.
I short pitted a little bit on the fuel, so I wonder if it's going to bite me. Well, if I keep doing that, it won't.
flat should be done.
It's
Alright,
over
you
now.
got it, Adam. Good job.
Thank you.
We were driving like unskilled drivers.
Yep.
Woo, and I leave.